Oh, what is this letter? Letter A. It's a big A. Big A. Let's call her the big A, okay? Let's call her the big A. This is a big A. What's the sound of big A? Let's call her this. The sound of this is Let's call her it. Okay. Wow, nice, Azrael. You're coloring well. Oh, yes. Yes. This one is big letter A with a sound Okay, move. Like this. Move with the sound Yay. Very good. We finished the big A. Now let's go to the small A. They have the same sound. What's the sound? Is small A, but same sound with a big A. Let's go to the left and right. Left and right. Very good, Azrael. You're coloring well. Oh, please look at here. Wow. What's the sound of this, Azrael? What's the sound of this? Wow, coloring well. Move your hand. Wow. Oh, do it for yourself. May I see? Teacher will check. Wow. Like this. Oh, teacher will help again. We're finishing. Color more. Yay. Color more, please. You're about to finish. You're about to finish it. Color more. What is that? What is the one that you're coloring? What is that? That is an